everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In this video today, it's gonna be a funny one, it's gonna be a fun one. I can't wait to test this out. I was at my local grocery store and I came across this. It says it's ready to bake pizza dough. So I'm thinking, is there a way to make this store-bought, ready to bake pizza dough into a good pizza? I say let's try it. Let's see what happens. Let's go. So this is what the bag looks like. Pizza dough, ready to bake. That's the back side. So I got the dough out of the bag. I dusted it with some of my flour. So I'm ready to make. So the next step is let's put it together and see if this ready to bake grocery store dough can actually make a decent homemade pizza. Let's go. I'm just gonna spread this dough. All right. I'm gonna stretch it out by hand. I'm happy with that. Put some cheese on it. Alright, I'm happy with that. Let's go to the oven. So this is what the pizza looks like. I'm actually surprised. I didn't think it was going to come out this nice. They didn't use any browning agent. As you can tell, it didn't brown well. Bottom looks good. Bottom looks real good. It's okay. I'm still conflicted about what to think about this thing. I guess the only way to figure it out is to actually try it. Slice into it, see what happens. Alright, let's try this pizza and see what it tastes like. Just slice. It's the back. It looks good, other than that it didn't brown well. Tastes good. Not bad at all. I did put some real good cheese on it. And I didn't make my own sauce. I used the Lalo's pizzeria style pizza sauce, which I highly recommend. It's delicious. If you don't mind, if you don't feel like making your own pizza sauce, that's a great pizza sauce. You can buy it at any grocery store, I think. It tastes better than expected. It's a good pizza to make for like pool party for your kids, or if you have a kid's birthday. You don't have to make pizza. You don't have to make pizza dough the day before. You could just go to the store, buy a bunch of these pizza doughs. By the time you get home, it's going to be room temperature. You can just start making pizzas. It's better than what I expected, to be honest with you. dough was $1.99 at my local grocery store. So if this is a good thing for somebody that doesn't know how to make pizza but wants to try to make pizza at home. So it would be good to start with something like this, pre-made pizza dough. You learn how to stretch it, how to put toppings and sauces on it, how to make it, how to bake it, and then you can go into making your own pizza dough, because that's the hardest part of the whole process. And that's about it. That's all I got for you in this video. As always, thank you. As always, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.